Hey everybody, Fantasy Customs here. So we got this electronics box made and bolted up here. Freaking got the new cables run to the battery there, and freaking ran up our wires to the speedometer. It goes back. Oh yeah. So that's about it. Just got to put the chain on and we can go for a little ride in the snow here. Right, buddy? Right, bud?
About 8 inches.
8 inches of snow or what? 8 inches of what?
Powder.
We're gonna run it hard. 15,500 RPMs. That's right, buddy. Smoking a cheech. What's up, everybody? First ride on the buggy today. I took it for a spin. Still need some minor adjustments. Mainly with the chain, it's not quite tight enough. Other than that, it's pretty awesome. I gotta say, it's pretty awesome. So hopefully we'll get that chain tightened up and get some footage of this thing in action. Alrighty guys, can't wait. Stay tuned.